Ashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm gonna be unboxing the Euphorbia subscription box. But before we get into this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video on YouTube. Now let's just get into the video. The package comes inside this box. It says EuphorbiaBox.com, India's most affordable subscription box. Now let's just get inside this box. Okay, so inside the box we have this pouch. This pouch is really cute and all the products are inside this pouch. It has owls over it and it is a pretty cute pouch to carry your makeup around in your bag. It is very convenient, so I think I'm going to use the pouch for that. Now, the actual products are inside this pouch, so let's get inside. Inside this pouch, we have this card which says, "You are gold baby, solid gold." So I think the theme of this subscription box is gold. And here it says September Euphorbia box, and it mentions the products that you get inside this package. In this package, you get 4 products, and I'm going to show you what we have inside here. So the first thing that I see here is this lip mask. This one is from Mond'Sub Collagen lip mask and it is gold. As you can see, the theme of this subscription box is gold for September. So here you get a lip mask. I personally haven't tried on a lip mask till now, but I'm very excited to use it. The MRP of this lip mask is ₹200, guys. Next thing that I have here is a Magic Dust Gold face pack, and this cost for ₹990, and it says that it lightens the skin tones and tightens the skin pores, and it is herbal blend. So yeah, I'll give it a try and see how this works. Next thing that I see here are these beautiful pair of earrings. Let me open it and show you guys. These are so beautiful. If you know me, you know that I love earrings, and these are so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear these. They might look heavy on the camera, but I promise that they're so lightweight. And yeah, of course, again, they are gold because the whole theme of this subscription box is gold for this month. And the MRP of these earrings are ₹245. So yeah, you get this in the subscription box. So the last thing that I have inside this pouch is this half and half all day lip and cheek color blush stick. So yeah, this is a lip tint as well as a blush tint. This one is in the color Desert Rose. I'm gonna quickly open this and show you guys. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty shade of pink and I cannot wait to use this one. It smells amazing too. I love lipsticks and lip tints which smells good, so this one smells really good. I'm gonna quickly show you the shade of this lipstick. This lip and blush tint is for ₹400. So guys, that were all the products that you get inside the subscription box. You get products worth ₹1,800 for only ₹260, which is very affordable. In my opinion, yes, it is a very affordable subscription box, so I suggest you guys that you should give it a try. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box so you guys can check it out and order this for yourself. And yeah, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you next time.